Is it time to buy or sell Walmart stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Walmart. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. Now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified Walmart as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a decline of negative 1.59%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.40% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is moving within a wide and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 1% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 13.41% to 4.75%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 44.74%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 28.58% to 71.57% over the next year. This would set the future price somewhere between $123.28 and $164.50. Our latest daily update for Walmart includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Walmart stock after losing 0.9%. The Walmart stock price fell by 0.9% on the last day, Tuesday, 13th May 2025, from $96.75 to $95.88. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.2%, with a day low at $95.23 and a day high of $97.32. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 0.17% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.88 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $105.30, and the lowest price was $59.44. Currently, the price is 8.95%, or $9.42 below the 52-week high of $105.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Walmart is making headlines with its sponsorship of the Gabby's Dollhouse Live Tour, which launches in September 2025. This initiative not only diversifies its brand presence in the entertainment sector, but also strengthens community engagement, which can enhance customer loyalty and drive foot traffic to stores, potentially boosting short-term sales and long-term brand equity. With earnings reports on the horizon, analysts are cautiously optimistic about Walmart's upcoming results. While same-store sales growth may be muted, e-commerce performance is expected to exceed projections. This aligns with a broader retail trend, indicating continued consumer spending, despite economic uncertainties. A successful earnings report could bolster investor confidence and positively influence Walmart's stock price in the near term. Furthermore, recent news of a 90-day reduction in U.S.-China tariffs may alleviate supply chain pressures, reducing input costs for retailers. This could enhance Walmart's profitability, making its shares more attractive in the long run. Overall, Walmart is positioned to capitalize on its strategic initiatives and favorable external economic developments, potentially leading to a positive outlook for its stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to WMT along with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, Bernstein rated WMT as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, Telsey Advisory rated WMT as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, Raymond James assigned a hold grade to WMT with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, Oppenheimer rated WMT as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Walmart stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have issued a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Walmart. The Walmart stock exhibits a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also shows a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, presenting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $97.64. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $92.30. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, May 5, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 3.47%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically corresponds with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 20 days ago. The short-term moving average points to a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 21 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Walmart. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $89.60 and $83.83. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Walmart finds support just below today's level at $89.60. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $83.83 and $83.19. This stock typically trades at a substantial volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is regarded as low. During the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $2.10, which is a 2.20% change between its high and low. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Walmart, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal and is often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of May, 2025. Analysts expect consensus estimates to be at 57 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Walmart. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Walmart is at $96.75. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Walmart encounters its first support level at $89.60. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Walmart from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 6th of May, 2025, Choisnowski David conducted an insider sale of 250,419 shares of common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Nicholas Christopher James conducted an insider sale of 120,929 shares of common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Rainey John D. conducted an insider sale of 2,200 shares of common stock. On the 24th of April, 2025, Macmillan C. Douglas conducted an insider sale of 29,124 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2024, Brand Rachel L. conducted an insider purchase of 134,240 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 66.319. Overall, insiders purchased 4,312,230 shares and sold 16,281,966 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Walmart stock a good buy? Walmart shows several concerning indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate Walmart to open higher by 262 hundredths of a dollar, starting at $96.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.